The other man's job is always interesting, just because it differs from our own. But when the other man happens to be a ship's officer, an engineer or a wireless operator on board a great liner like the Strathmore, his job is fascinating as well. Truthfully, the bridge has been called the brains of the ship. Here the officer is inspecting the fire detectors. If there's a fire, the indicator shows where it is, for every compartment on board has sprinklers. Here also are phones and a switchboard that enable the officer to communicate with all parts of the ship immediately. Further along is another detector. The pipes are connected to the various holes, and a fan inside the mouth of each constantly draws air through. Should a fire occur, smoke would be drawn through and indicate which particular hole is burning. Any part of the ship can be isolated by watertight doors, operated from the bridge. But perhaps the greatest boon to shipping in recent years is radio, which maintains constant touch with the outside world. Only sailors can fully realize what this means and know how many dramas of the sea have been saved from becoming tragedies. The wireless operator has added one more name to the long list of heroes. In a modern liner, he has his own gyro compass to aid him in direction finding. Far below is the nerve center of the ship, the control platform. Communication with the bridge is maintained by telegraph and telephone. In this comparatively small space, the movements of the Strathmore are governed. Watch is kept on the massive gauges showing steam pressure and temperatures of the turbines. Here a few engineers control 24,000 horsepower. Nearby are pumps feeding distilled water to the boilers at a pressure of 500 pounds. And here's a sight to delight the engineers, the 200-foot propeller shafting revolving smoothly and evenly. Nearly 100 tons of solid steel driving the great ship at 20 knots. There are many other men's jobs on board ship, and from all, the sea demands and gets courage, efficiency, and devotion to duty.